So who doesn't like to save money? I like to save money. I'm sure you like to save money. Well, Royal Caribbean has a sale starting today on pre-cruise purchases, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, Royal Caribbean has started a sale today on their pre-cruise purchases. The sale runs from today, December the 10th, through December the 16th, and is valid for all sailings December the 14th, 2021, through December the 31st of 2022, for all ships with the exception of Spectrum of the Seas. So for your drink packages, you could get up to 40% off. For shore excursions, you can get up to 35% off. For internet packages, you could get up to 50% off, up to 55% off for dining, up to 20% off on ship activities, gifts and gear up to 55% off, up to 70% off on photo packages, and up to 30% off of spa services. So pretty much covers everything across the ship. Now, do keep in mind that prices may vary, discounts will vary from ship to ship and sailing to sailing. It's not just a single flat rate across the board. So what you have to do is, if you already have a cruise booked, log into Royal Caribbean, go to your cruise planner, see what is available for your ship and for your specific sailing. But it is still a good way for you to save some money. Look, if you haven't booked your drink package yet, your Wi-Fi package, or anything like that, now is the time here over the next 6 days. Go on there and take a look. Any amount of money that you can save on this vacation, well, that's money you can spend on something else, get a different activity, a different shore excursion, or even put it towards your next cruise. So like I said, saving money is always a great thing. And so far this year, Royal Caribbean has done some pretty decent sales. They had some really good Black Friday sales on pre-cruise purchases, and now they're going to do them again for Christmas. And I did even go personally take advantage of this sale on our upcoming February cruise on board Adventure of the Seas. Well, we've decided we're going to do the all-access tour on the ship, see behind the scenes, crew areas, the bridge, different places like that around the ship. That's a ship activity. Well, I was able to get 20% off of that because of this sale. So yeah, I went in, purchased that this morning, and I now have that booked for February the 17th. So again, if you have a Royal Caribbean cruise booked, you want to save some money, go to your cruise planner and see what discounts are available for your particular ship and your particular sailing. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.